Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make messages stand out in Microsoft Teams channels. This is a great way to grab attention for important announcements, celebrate team wins, or highlight key information that you don't want people to miss. First, open your Microsoft Teams application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, look over to the left side of your screen and click on Teams. This will show you all the teams and channels you're part of. From there, go ahead and click on the specific channel where you want to post your standout message. At the bottom of the channel, you'll see a text box that says Post in Channel. Click on it to start composing your message. Now here's where the magic happens. Instead of typing a regular message, click on the announcement icon. This icon looks like a megaphone and is designed specifically for creating eye-catching posts that demand attention. After clicking the announcement icon, you'll see options to customize your post. Start by inputting a headline. For this example, let's type "Welcome to our new members." This headline will be displayed prominently at the top of your announcement. Next, you can personalize the look of your announcement by editing the background color of the headline or even adding an image background. For our example, let's change the color background to something bright like yellow so it will really stand out and catch everyone's eye when they scroll through the channel. Now it's time to add your main message. In the message field, type something like "Let's welcome our new members." Once you've typed your message, highlight the text and make it bold. This adds another layer of emphasis and ensures your message pops off the screen. To make your announcement even more engaging and fun, click on the emoji icon at the bottom of your post. From the options that appear, click on GIFs. This opens up a library of animated images that can bring your message to life. In the search bar, type "Welcome" and browse through the results until you find a GIF that fits the tone of your announcement. Once you've selected the perfect GIF, it will automatically be added to your post. Finally, when you're happy with how everything looks, click the Post button at the bottom. Your announcement will now appear in the channel with its bright background, bold text, and animated GIF, making it impossible for team members to miss. And that's it. You've just created a standout message in Microsoft Teams that grabs attention and makes important information visible to everyone in your channel. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.